Today, we're going to take a look at how you can use alternate assemblies right in Solid Edge. We're going to take a look at family of assemblies. What I've got here is I've got this control box, and you can see there's an e-stop on either side. Now, obviously, we would only want one e-stop, not two. For our purposes, though, we're going to make an assembly that shows an e-stop on one side and then an alternate assembly that has the e-stop on the opposite side. We do this by going to Family of Assemblies. I'm going to create a new family of assemblies, and it gives me the option to create a family, or if we're talking about alternate positions. So I'm going to create a family of assemblies. We can keep the names the same, member 1, member 2. I'm then going to go into the Family of Assemblies table. You'll notice I've got the e-stop on one side, e-stop on the other. So all I really need to do is right-click on one of the cells next to the e-stop, and I can choose to exclude it. So I can exclude in 1, and on member 2, I'll right-click and I'll exclude on that one. We'll just then click OK. Member 2, member 1. You'll notice too my bill of material, the BOM, as I make the change. It's not that it's just hiding the other e-stop. No, it's not there. Another thing that we can do with the family of assemblies is we can actually put in dimensions. I'm going to put in flash fit and give it an offset of a 1/2 inch. But watch what happens with this variable when I go back into the family table. Well, right there you can see that it's set at 1/2 inch, but I could, right from this table, make an adjustment, change it to 3/4 of an inch. But then we can take that a step further. Maybe I want another member, number 3. And we want this one to be at 1 inch. The nice thing is you can right-click on any column, and that will activate the member.